Hey, Masa Community. It's Brendan here from Masa. Um, I am going to give you an overview today on how to create a RAG agent using Masa data and our example repo. So we're going to get you started by dropping into the Masa GitHub. You're going to want to clone both the awesome Masa repository and the Masa protocol Oracle node. Um, Once you got those loaded, you want to spin up an Oracle node with your own Twitter credentials in the ENV, and it will run in local only mode and be able to process around 1.2 million tweets per month. Just the easiest way of getting up and running, and will mean that you get high quality tweets with a high response rate and low latency. Um, if you want to have more capacity, you can use remote workers on the network and reach out to one of our team to get your capacity up from the 1 million to around, 10, 20 million tweets a month, whatever you want. Okay, so we are going to use in our awesome Masa repo our tweets tweet fetcher. You'll see in here there is a range of scrapers that you can use with the protocol. These scripts, we're going to use the tweet fetcher script. And everything is configured in this YAML file. So we're doing a query for hashtag Memecoin. We're going to try and fetch 150 up to 150 tweets per day. And this is our date range. You can see that I was actually just scraping here. And I'm going to close out this terminal so you can see me spin up the RAG agent in just a moment. And we have successfully scraped 300 tweets. Now, let's go back a little bit further. Let's go back into July. And this will resume from where I left off. And we'll now continue building tweets. It's all saved into this JSON file here. And it's then easily accessible locally for us to build our RAG agent. So next, we're going to build our RAG agent. We are going to go into our source file here, or source folder, sorry, go onto the Twitter Memecoin example, and we are going to open this Streamlit app, which I've got here. And this uses LangChain, Streamlit, and the Masa data that we've just scraped to provide information on meme coins for our agent, for our Memecoin agent. I want to make sure that my data URL is pointing to the data I saved here. We're using the open AI embeddings endpoint right now, and you can set all of your configuration in your ENV. And there is an ENV example here, which has all of the required parameters you set to run the RAG agent. So we're just going to run Streamlit, run, and then this Streamlit app in the Memecoin file. Memecoin folder, and we have just loaded our Masa chat. So I'm going to say, what meme coins are authors tweeting about? And what this does, it sends out a request to the LangChain graph. It takes the data that we've got saved locally, creates embeddings, and it can then give us summarization and context on what is going on. So we're also going to say what authors are in our tweets. This will give us a response. Some of the formatting here goes a little bit funny with the response. It's because it's coming back a little bit too quickly. And we're using Llama 3.1. So you're going to want to have a Llama locally running Llama 3.18 billion. And you can use, a local LLM to run this completely for free. So let's do one more. What meme coins are trending in our tweets? Awesome. The Streamlit app pulls from the agent package here. You can see we just got our response. It's going to summarize which meme coins are trending and who mentioned them. This is great. And if you want to change anything, for example, the system prompt, you can do that here in the rag chain setup here. So this is our current system prompt. You can add or you can modify to get your response. And this is how, within 5 minutes and 30 seconds, you can scrape data using the protocol, use our example repo, and start building and shipping your first agent. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.